TikTok Lite message option not working. So hey guys, into this video we're gonna talk about the TikTok Lite message right here and why is it not working. Number one, for those who don't know, some TikTok Lite is not like the TikTok itself. So some features may be missing depending on your like region or country, or depending on your device or version of the TikTok Lite. Some will have no message. So yeah, I you to understand it, but you can just update your phone or maybe update the app itself, if ever. And the second thing is always check your internet connection. Maybe it's just not popping up, and maybe it's like lagging a bit, something like that. Check your internet connection. I suggest switching it to mobile data to or what mobile data or maybe to Wi-Fi, or if it's still not working, put it on airplane mode and back it to the remove the airplane mode more like 5 seconds. So yeah. And the third thing is you can always restart your phone. Restarting your phone sometimes works. Most of the time it works. Just restart your phone. And the fourth thing is you can just go to this three dots on the top right corner and click on settings right there. Then we just need to find our direct messages. There we go. Oh wait, I think direct messages can be located over. Wait, I found it, guys. Direct message can be found in privacy. After pressing on privacy right there, click on direct message. After pressing on direct message, you will see here permission settings right there. There you go. There you go. Make sure it's on. It's all good. Request. Read status on. Safe mode on. There you go. Then I think that you're ready to go. But yeah, anyways, guys, there you go. If all else fails, I suggest searching it up if it's allowed on your country, or if it's allowed, and maybe check on your phone. If it's still not working, I suggest contacting TikTok support or using the app itself. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, and thank you, guys.